Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamtan. Kahit na sandali tayo mamasdan, ligaya ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Ingatan ka, aalagaan ka, sa puso kong ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo ay gagabay sa'yo, ang alay ko'y itong pagmamahal ko. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na.
sweetest taste I found with you through the years. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, the 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart. Love the rest in peace.
'Cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity.
Di ba't sabi mo hindi mo ko iiwan? Di pa ba bayan na ako'y mag-isa? Di ba't sabi mo sabay tayong tatanda? You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free.
Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word will make me go rushing back to you.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do.